The properties of matter. Weight belongs to matter only in the way humans usually understand it. It does not apply in the same way to the universal fluid, the subtle substance from which denser matter is formed. Weight is relative, not absolute. Away from the pull of worlds, there is no weight, just as there is no up or down. Matter is not made from many truly first elements. There is one primitive element. What we call simple bodies are only different forms of that original matter. The different properties of matter come from changes in its elementary molecules and from the way they are arranged. The great variety of the material world comes from the different states of one same substance. Flavors, odors, colors, sounds, and the harmful or healing qualities of bodies all arise from these changes. They also depend on the organs that receive them, the general elements of the universe. The same elementary matter can undergo all kinds of modifications and take on all kinds of properties. So the diversity of bodies does not require many original substances, but many states and combinations of one primitive substance. Oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, carbon, and the other elements, treated as simple in science, are only modifications of that primitive matter. Since the primitive element cannot yet be observed directly, science may still treat these as elements for practical purposes. The secondary qualities of bodies also depend on force, movement, and the arrangement of molecules. A body may become opaque or transparent without changing its basic substance, simply because the arrangement of its parts has changed. Primitive elementary molecules have a constant form. Secondary molecules, which are groupings of the first, can vary. Behind the many appearances of nature, there is a deeper unity. The forms of bodies come from transformations and combinations within one primitive matter, governed by law.